I am the administrative one in the household and have been designated to keep track of things. Physical things, schedule, time, money, all the things. Not just for those in our household, my husband, my son, my dad I care for, me, but also the many other hats I wear outside of the normal workday. Whether it's his business, my side job, or volunteer positions, it's a lot, and it's gotten harder. Sometimes I juggle it all well, but other times it's all I can do to function. I've joked for many years that the dining room table was a symbol of how chaotic my life and mental status was. Whether it was a drop zone of chaos, an open mail, the urgent buried in the unimportant, or maybe organized, well, nicely stacked piles. On a rare occasion, you might find the table clear, ready for company and game night. But was my mind clear? No, my mind was jumbled, like all the stuff I took off the table and threw in the box in the other room. After listening to the Sunday Basket podcast, I made the decision to make a purchase for me, for my sanity. It's way more than a pretty box with lovely slash folders. It's a system, but with structure and infused with grace. While the setup is quick, the instructions and encouragement keep going. It has allowed me to not only free my dining room table, but my mind. There is a layer of low-grade anxiety removed, and I'm more confident in my decisions that I am doing the best thing right now because I know what is happening this next week. I know there won't be a fire I need to put out because I lost track of something. And for the first time in forever, I had to ask what I was doing for me. I had to dig deep to resurface what my wishes, hopes, dreams, and interests are. These pink slash pockets reflect me at a time when I've gotten lost in the back of the line after caring for everyone else. Thank you, Lisa, for sharing your gift of teaching organization so that we might realize, develop, and utilize our own unique gifts.